Imagine a man named Tom. He works hard every day, earning $2,500 a month. Yet, by the end of every month, his bank account is empty, and he wonders where all his money went. Tom's problem isn't how much he earns, it's how he spends. His small spending habits, which seem harmless at first, quietly drain his money away, leaving him stuck in the same financial struggles year after year. This story isn't just about Tom. Millions of people around the world face the same issue. No matter how much money they make, their spending habits hold them back. Have you ever found yourself asking, "Why can't I save money?" Or maybe you've realized that you're working hard but still living paycheck to paycheck. Here's the surprising truth. Most people aren't poor because of their income alone. They're poor because they spend on the wrong things that don't bring long-term value or security. These spending habits can feel small and innocent, but over time, they add up to a big financial problem. In this video, we'll uncover 5 common things poor people waste money on. These aren't the usual tips you've heard before. Instead, we'll explore habits that quietly drain your wallet and how frugal living can help you stop the cycle and build a better financial future. By the end of this video, you'll have practical ideas to take control of your money and start growing your wealth today. Number 1. Frequent raffles or sweepstakes and sports betting. Imagine spending a few dollars every week on raffle tickets, hoping to win a car, a vacation, or a cash prize. It feels exciting, right? Now, add sports betting to the mix. Maybe you think putting $20 on your favorite team to win the next game is no big deal. These activities might seem harmless or even like a way to get lucky and improve your financial situation. But in reality, they're a silent money trap that many people fall into. Raffles and sweepstakes thrive on hope. Companies know people love the idea of turning a small expense into a big win, so they market these opportunities as your chance to get rich. What they don't tell you is how slim your odds are. For example, if a raffle has 10,000 entries, your chance of winning might be as low as 0.01%. While you're spending money on these tickets every month, your financial goals, like saving for emergencies or paying off debt, are put on hold. Sports betting, the modern gamble. Sports betting feels different because it's based on knowledge, right? You think, I know my team, I can predict the outcome. But the reality is, betting is designed for you to lose over time. Sure, you might win once or twice, but the thrill of those wins often leads to more bets and more losses. People who bet regularly often spend hundreds, even thousands, of dollars a year without realizing it. Both raffles and sports betting are based on chance, not control. You're putting your hard-earned money into something with no guarantee of return. Over time, these small expenses add up, leaving you with less money for things that truly matter. Instead of betting on chance, why not bet on yourself? Save that money, invest it, or use it to learn a new skill that can help you earn more in the future. By avoiding these traps, you take control of your financial future instead of leaving it up to luck. Number 2. Personal trainers and trendy workout gear. Getting fit and healthy is important, but it can also become an expensive trap if you're not careful. Many people, especially those on a tight budget, spend far too much money on personal trainers and trendy workout gear when they could achieve the same results for a fraction of the cost, or even for free. Hiring a personal trainer may sound like the best way to get in shape. They guide you, motivate you, and create customized workouts. But their services often cost $50 to $100 per session, or even more. If you're paying for a trainer every week, that could add up to thousands of dollars a year. For someone trying to save money, this is a huge expense. The truth is, many of the exercises trainers teach can be learned through free online videos or fitness apps. Then there's the obsession with buying the latest workout gear. Brands market expensive clothes, shoes, and equipment as essential for achieving your fitness goals. People buy $100 yoga pants, designer running shoes, or even home gym gadgets that end up gathering dust. But do you really need flashy gym outfits to get fit? Not at all. A simple pair of sneakers and basic activewear can get the job done. Instead of spending money on a trainer, consider joining free fitness classes at community centers, following YouTube workout routines, or using inexpensive fitness apps. For gear, Focus on quality basics rather than trendy brands. Remember, your body doesn't know the price of your clothes or who's guiding your workout. It only responds to the effort you put in. By cutting these unnecessary expenses, you can stay fit while keeping more money in your pocket. Number 3. Splurging to impress on dates and covering group bills too often. Dating and socializing are important parts of life, but they can become expensive if you're always trying to impress others. Many people spend more than they can afford on fancy dates or paying for group outings, thinking it will make them look generous or desirable. In the long run, this habit can drain your finances without adding real value to your life. When people date, there's often pressure to go big: expensive dinners, fancy gifts, or luxurious experiences. They believe spending more will make a better impression. But the truth is, someone who truly values you won't care about the price tag. A $100 dinner might feel great in the moment, but if you're doing this regularly, it adds up fast. Simple, meaningful dates like a picnic in the park, a homemade dinner, or a walk along the beach can be just as romantic and far less costly. When hanging out with friends, some people feel the need to cover the entire group's bill or pay for extra rounds of drinks to seem generous or well-off. While this can create a temporary sense of admiration, it often leads to resentment or financial stress. Friends should respect your financial limits, and splitting bills fairly is a reasonable expectation. Instead of overspending, focus on building connections through meaningful experiences, not money. Suggest budget-friendly dates or outings. When out with friends, don't hesitate to say, "Let's split the bill," or "I'll cover my part." Most people will appreciate your honesty and respect your boundaries. By setting limits on these expenses, you can enjoy your social life while staying in control of your finances and still leave a great impression on others. Number 4. Poor financial planning and constantly paying for office supplies. Poor financial planning is one of the biggest reasons people struggle with money. Without a clear plan, it's easy to waste money on things you don't really need, like buying office supplies over and over again. These small expenses can add up and create a financial leak that's hard to notice until it's too late. When you don't track your income and expenses, it's easy to lose control. You might forget about bills, overspend on subscriptions, or buy items on impulse. Many people think they'll save whatever's left at the end of the month, but in reality, there's often nothing left because of poor planning. A common example is spending on office supplies. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or office worker, it's tempting to buy new notebooks, pens, or gadgets when you already have enough. These purchases may seem small, but they can pile up over time. A $10 planner here, a $15 pen set there. It can cost hundreds of dollars a year. Create a budget and stick to it. Review your existing supplies before buying new ones. Use apps to track your spending and automate savings. By planning your finances and avoiding unnecessary purchases, you can keep more money in your pocket and achieve your goals faster. Number 5. Loan dependency and late payment fees. Relying on loans and paying bills late are two habits that quietly destroy financial stability. Many people turn to loans or credit cards to cover short-term needs, but these solutions often come with high interest rates and hidden traps. Add late payment fees into the mix, and the situation only gets worse. Loans, especially payday loans or high-interest personal loans, may feel like lifesavers when you're short on cash. But these loans often come with interest rates of 20%, 50%, or even higher. This means you're not just repaying what you borrowed, you're paying a lot extra. If you rely on loans regularly, you'll get caught in a debt cycle, using new loans to pay off old ones and never breaking free. Paying bills late, whether it's credit card payments, utility bills, or rent, leads to penalties that add up quickly. A $30 late fee might not seem like much, but multiple fees each month can cost hundreds over a year. Late payments also hurt your credit score, making it harder and more expensive to borrow in the future. Start by building an emergency fund, even if it's just $500. This can help you avoid loans for small emergencies. Use apps or reminders to ensure you pay bills on time. If you have multiple loans, prioritize paying off the ones with the highest interest rates first. The key is to focus on living within your means and planning ahead. You can stop wasting money on unnecessary costs and take a big step toward financial freedom. Saving money isn't just about earning more, it's about spending smarter. By avoiding the 5 common money traps, you can take control of your finances. Small changes, like planning ahead and focusing on long-term goals, can make a big difference. Frugal living doesn't mean sacrificing happiness. It means prioritizing what truly matters. The path to financial freedom begins with better habits today. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.